Here at the Polyend booth. I'm here with Mitch. He's going to tell us a little bit about the Polyend Mini.
Sure. Hey, this is the Polyend Mini. It's we just announced it this week. It is the evolution of our original tracker. It, like all trackers, it runs kind of top down. It is battery powered, has about 8 hours of battery life, USB audio, stereo samples, mic, line in, sampling, super portable. Those are the things that are new from the old tracker. We'll also have a new firmware update that will be for this tracker and our old tracker. The original tracker won't get stereo samples and USB audio like this will, but it will get improvements like reverb and delay upgrades, improved audio path, headroom. There's just a quick beat I auto-sliced. I have no idea what this is going to sound like, but I'm going to play around with it. These buttons are like quick jump buttons. I can assign them to any of these menus here. So any of the menus can be assigned to the buttons or the shift buttons. The master volume is shift and master volume to control that. And these are like quick key buttons. So this can jump up, you know, an octave on here, or just I can change it by step. Same with all of this. So this workflow is pretty fast with the new D-pad and the plus minus button. The FX are all in here. It still has everything you need to finish tracks and albums inside of it. The sample recording can be the line in or the mic. So I could record here and I could just record all the noise of Namm and make a terrible song. But you know, I can record that, save it, auto name it, save and load. So then I could take this and I could chop it up. Like I could beat slice it, or I could just regular auto slice it. And then slicing all the transients of that Namm noise that I just recorded. And I could take that, I'll go to a blank pattern, and then I could program it. I could make a beat from that just organic noise that we listen to, because it has envelopes, LFOs, everything you would have in your normal DAW or whatever is in there too.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
They're killing it right now. You guys got to check it out.